These are the solutions for GATE 2019 that was conducted on 2nd of Feb 2019. The question first says, P stays in his office for what duration if the hand clock moves by 225 degrees? We know that if the hand clock moves by 12 hours, the angle it makes is 360 degrees. So for 225 degrees, it has to move 7.5 hours. Means in 7.5 hours, it moves by this much degrees. You can see the calculation. Second question is that the minister was asked a question about reservation for women in private sector, but he kept skirting or quitting or dodging that question or dodging that issue. It should be question, skirting that question. Sir John, who was an eminent poet, died in 2002. I don't remember the exact question, but the answer to this was eminent. Eminent means prasid, well known. The third question was the product of two numbers is 165 and the sum of those two numbers was given to be 26. The difference of two numbers were asked. So if we take it this way, this is x plus y ka whole square, this is x minus y ka whole square. If we solve, we get this. On solving them, we get x minus y equal to plus minus 4. It would be plus 4 if x is greater, it would be minus 4 if y is greater. So the actual difference would be 4. This question number 5 was that if a person has invested 1 lakh rupees in two different places, from first place he gets 10% profit and from second investment he get 12% profit, or interchanging the profit percentage, the difference of two profits become 162. So what was the initial ratio of his investment? Matlab, he made two investments. What would be the ratio of the first and the second investments that he made from this much rupees? This can be solved in this way, that he had 1 lakh rupees, he made an investment x from it and the remaining x. He got 12% on this and 10% on this. On interchanging profits, he got 11% from this. Sorry, this would be 110. Yes, he got 10% from this and 12% from this. On subtracting these two equations and on solving, we get the value of x, and 1000 minus x would be y. So the ratio of x and y would be 43:57. The sixth question was which statement given was necessarily wrong. To this we can uh, conclude that the statement W can't be the wife of P was the correct statement. That is not possible. And there was a question from English to which the answer was had and would. There was a passage on the dictator of Congo and the Portuguese people, to which I think the answer was he tried to Africanize the name but he failed. Then there was a question for judge that a prisoner gets shot for telling the lie and gets hanged for telling the truth. So what he could possibly say to the judge so that his life could be spared. So I don't know what the answer should be, but I think that these two are possible. These two could be the answer, that you murdered him or that I shot him. You means the judge murdered him or that I shot him. And the last question was on the pie chart. A data was given for 2010 and it was asked that what would be the value of T in 2016, where PQR remains the same and the R was increased by 40%. And in 2010 the population, the sum of these all five was 600, and in 2016 it becomes 660. The value of T was asked and the answer would come out to be 60 on solving. So I don't remember the questions. This is what I could recall, so I thought I should make a video for it. Okay, thank you for watching.